Welcome to A Morning in My Life. It's day 4 of 4. There's my princess. Say good morning, vlog. Say good morning. Gonna wake up the house, make some breakfast for me and the girl, and get the day started. Meal prep has completely changed my life, and I must say, I will do this for the rest of my life. I made some egg bites like a couple days ago. I didn't vlog it, but I'll vlog it next time I make some more because we only have 2 left. So, well, we have 4. I'm gonna make her. I just make her 1 in sausage, and I'll get 3 and some salsa. So I'm gonna go ahead and make one these up, and then I'll share with y'all next time what I make. When I make them again, I'll share with you guys next time when I make them again. These are the egg bites I made. Peppers, cottage cheese, and I think that's it. Oh yeah, it's very hot. I'm gonna burn my finger. Burn my finger. Grab a fork. Don't be mine. I'm laying her some sausage over here. My girl, I'm making your plate, Bally girl. What do you think I'm doing, Bally girl? Bally, stop. I'm making your plate. That's enough for her. Here you go. Enjoy, the girl. Enjoy. No macro bars. I love nothing more than waking up, opening my house to the nice fresh sunshine. It's such a cool vibe in there. I recommend. It's like dinery. Oh, but that change your diaper? I'll change real quick. Everything. Me and G had gone before and told us get buffalo chicken dumplings. It was so good. And she had her favorite French onion soup, so I got that for lunch. It was really good. Then we met at the sports bar. And honestly, just hung out like all afternoon. Guys were so cool. And I was like, whoa, this is so good. Sometimes that ball feels like a lot. Try a little bit, spreads to go a little lighter, and then. What are you talking about? What are you pointing at me for? And yeah, this morning we had for coffee. Oh, Bali, I took your pacifier to work with Mommy last night. It was in my pocket last night at work. I missed you so much. I took your pacifier with me to work. I missed you. I don't have some music. I really just set up with her like house and everything. So yeah, I'll let his trees do this. That and yeah, that's what's up for today. Then we look at early dinner. Then after, gotta check all the bags and get ready. We're getting home early, but it's okay. No worries. It's just 12 kids. Ever since I've been living in a tiny home, I have fallen in love with cleaning every single day. Waking up, making the bed, making the couch, cleaning the kitchen, and taking care of my kids. Moisturizer, my fave that I use sitting here ready. I think it's just the color. She's looking for her dada. She stands there all the time and waits for her dada to come home. So cute. I love it. So Bali, Daddy just went to work, so he'll be back a little bit later. Like a dog, yeah. It's a dog. Yeah. Let's do some dishes. Don't know what that. I taught her how to play with pots and pans while I'm in the kitchen, because now all she does is play with pots and pans while I'm in the kitchen. She makes all the noise and pulls them all out every single day, every single morning, every single meal. She's playing in the kitchen with pots and pans. Say thanks, Dada. You're so awesome. Dada. Yeah, Dada taught you that? Got the living room all clean. Woohoo! And my Bali girls next. Got the kitchen all clean. Just gotta put the dishes. Look at that sweet boy. He's up. Hi, my sweet boy. Good morning. Good morning, my sweet boy. Oh, you're so handsome. Good morning. You ready for breakfast? And for the day? Let's go, Deucey boy. No one told you to go be 3 months. Hey, Mr. Boy. Oh, you're showing me your color? What color is that? Is that yellow? Is that yellow? Yellow? Show them what you do with it. You put it over your eyes and say yellow. My sweet boy. Hey, look, you say yellow. Say yellow. Good job. Can you say yellow? Yeah, I hear ya. Thank you, baby girl. Do it. Say yellow. Yellow. Good job. Yellow. Good job, boy girl. Okay, go get another color. Dad'll be home soon. Get out the blinds. Get out the blinds. He'll be home soon. Yeah, that's yours. Yeah, that's your bottle. Bali. No, let's not go in there. I told you. Yeah, Dada. We'll call Dada too. Now I want the Mom family while we hang out for the morning. Is it more milk or is it high? More milk. Oh, okay. Give me a second. I got you some more. Hold on. I got you. More? Say more. More milk. How did I tell you how to do milk? Please, yeah. How do you do milk? What's the sign for milk? Milk? Good job. We can be so proud of you. Yay. Milk? Good job, my girl. More milk. You're so smart. Okay, I'm going right now. Hold on. It's so cold outside right now. It's like got the kid that's all dressed for the day. And I got my happy boy. And my happy girl. Yes. Sit down, Bali girl. Sit down. Time we're gonna take a nap. It's about 10 o'clock, almost 11. We're gonna take our late morning nap. And then we're gonna get up and have Halloween at 5 o'clock. Calendar? Calendar? Come on, let's show them what you know. Come on. Everybody gets so excited to do this calendar every day. October 31st. Good job. October 31st. Halloween. Oh man, Bolly. You tore down my calendar. No. We gotta fix it now. We lost the tech. Come on, I might find it. Sit down. Trying to do Bolly's Halloween makeup. It's a struggle. All right, that's it. Oh, you messed it up.
It's okay. She's a...
Fix the other side over there. Put one plug, like a third one right there. Third one. Okay, perfect. Okay. All right, let's go. Let's go. As good as it gets. Okay, just stop. Just stop.
Put it away.
Crazy cat.
Look. Nose.
Let's go.
Nose.
Let's go. She's fine.
Nose.
No more. Hi, girl. What's going?
How would you say it?
Fire station number 1.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Bali. We're going, girl. Are you having fun with the fire trucks? Yeah. Are you having fun with the fire trucks? Come on. Let's go this way. Come on, Bali. Let's go this way, baby. Come on. Let's go. Isn't it fun, Bali? It's so much fun today. Happy Halloween. Look at the flag. It's cool. See the big tires? Wait, Bali, this is all the water pump for the water, like for the water tank. Come on, Bali. Come here, Bali. I know, right? Inside of the fire truck, so cool. And their fire boots, so cool.
Through here, we can talk to our dispatch, so they can hear everything we're saying. Up here, we have a thermal camera, so if we're in a fire, we can actually use this. It's kind of hard to see in a fire because there's black smoke, right? And a lot of times, it's almost like being in a dark room. So we use a thermal, and we can use the heat that your body projects off of you to locate people with it.
Oh wow!
Yeah. Really a whole lot up here. We got like another radio. Got a little bell up here. Got our helmets. Bunker coat. You guys want? You want to throw in some gear?
Yes.
All right.
Oh,
we can hop out. I'll take my gear out. And you guys can throw it on.
It's so high. Oh, cool.
Sorry.
I never knew it was so. Oh, the helmets right there.
There's yeah. Can you hear my jacket?
The black one?
Oh no.
Oh, the brown one.
Yes,
Oh wait, I'm gonna get it up here.
Cool.
They tell me that I'm not.
Oh, they have flashlights and the radio projector. Yeah, there's Barbara over there. So cool.
That's cute.
Here's
Take a picture. Live your daddy dreams. I mean, live your dream, Dad.
Firefighter. I'll be a firefighter one day. Bless you, big boy.
Daddy, maybe you want.
So cute. Gotcha.